At the moment, there isn't currently a mentoring programme in place for hygienists or therapists, and we are in an era of greater professionalism and accountability. And we feel at Philips that the hygienists and therapists have to maintain standards and they have to identify their learning needs. And we felt that there's a place out there to have a team of experienced dental professionals to help in that process from being a novice hygienist to a fully empowered professional autonomous clinician.
Unfortunately, the vast majority of newly qualified dental hygienists and therapists find themselves literally thrown in at the deep end. Many report feeling unsupported, and this leads to a reduction in their confidence and their ability to provide the best possible care.
I think the transitional support programme will be useful to dental therapists and hygienists after they qualify, because it gives them extra help and support and guidance as they get into their first clinical year.
I can honestly say it's the most exciting programme I've ever been involved with, because it's given me an opportunity to give something back to the profession.
As new graduates, dental hygienists and therapists have to adapt that challenging role of becoming accountable clinicians in an autonomous role within a practice.
When I first qualified, a long time ago, I found my first year a real challenge. And I didn't feel as if I was supported.
In contrast, dentists have the opportunity to join vocational training programmes. Nurses, midwives and paramedics have the opportunity to join preceptorship or mentorship programmes.
Well, like any new postgraduate, the first year is always a steep learning curve. With hygienists and therapists and their responsibility to patients, that's even steeper.
The transitional support programme will help them through that process.
The programme has the potential to become available to all DCPs. I believe anybody who goes through this programme will find their confidence will become enhanced and their skill base developed.
If I had a guide, if I had someone to help me and give me feedback and help me understand my role better, I would have been far more successful.
We hope to utilise our combined experience and amalgamate our areas of interest in providing guidance with their internal and external issues that arise in practice.
Philips have realised the benefit of supporting healthcare workers not only in their professional development but also in their healthcare setting. They have listened to our concerns about the lack of postgraduate support and invested a lot of time and money in this incredible transitional support programme.
As a whole, and for the public as well, hygienists and therapists will be able to maintain a high standard of practice in accordance with the GDC outlines and also CQC.
We actually have started rolling out the programme already, in that Mark, Joe and I have visited all the universities that are taking part in the scheme.
In the first year after graduation, members will have access to the transitional support programme through their 3 mentors and also through an online portal, through email and by telephone as well.
The online forum goes live very soon, and on that there will be access to the mentors via the forum, and there'll be a self-help journal which is accessible on the website as well.
It also involves the opportunity for participants to be involved in shadowing within the clinical setting.
So we have all bases covered for the mentees to access their mentors.
With the backing of a global health and wellbeing company such as Philips, this promises to be very successful.